to speak perfect English. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't think that learning English is too difficult. Everything can be mastered if you work hard and practice enough. You can speak wonderful English and have perfect pronunciation. If you just remember that learning a foreign language takes time, try to find a friend so that you can study and practice together. Don't bother worrying about your mistakes. You type with charming voices and pronunciation. Always follow along and repeat after the speaker on the type.